In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge GitHub branches efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer to the world of version control, merging branches is a fundamental skill that can help streamline your work on collaborative projects. First, let's begin by opening your favorite web browser. As simple as it sounds, this is your first step. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in GitHub. Look for the official GitHub website, and once you've found it, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't signed into GitHub before, you'll need to input your username or email and password to gain access. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific repository where you have your branches. This is the central hub of your project files. If you've recently pushed a new branch with changes, GitHub might automatically suggest creating a pull request for you. If you don't see a suggestion, simply head over to the Pull Requests tab situated near the top of the repository page. You'll see an option to New Pull Request. Click on that. This brings us to selecting the branches for merging. You'll need to choose a base branch, which is the branch you want your changes to merge into. Commonly, this would be your main or master branch. On the other hand, the compare branch is where your proposed changes currently reside. Select the branches that apply to your specific situation. Once selected, GitHub gives you a glimpse of the differences, commonly termed as a diff, between these branches. This is your chance to review the changes meticulously to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. It's a good habit to make certain everything is as it should be, reducing chances of errors further down the road. After reviewing, it's time to move ahead by giving your pull request a descriptive title and adding any necessary details in the description section. This is critical, as good documentation helps your team understand the purpose of the changes. When you're happy with your title and description, hit that Create Pull Request button. With your pull request now open, pay attention to any required checks or reviews that need to be completed. Once all checks are passed and reviews are done, you're ready for the exciting bit: merging your pull request. You'll typically have options: creating a merge commit, squashing and merging, or rebasing and merging. Choose the one that fits your workflow or team guidelines best. The final step requires you to confirm the merge action. You might see a button labeled Confirm Merge or Merge Pull Request, depending on the merge strategy you chose. Click that button to wrap it up, and your work is now successfully integrated into the base branch. There you have it, a straightforward guide to merging branches in GitHub. This process is pivotal for collaborative work as it helps keep your project's codebase unified and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!